In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Uber Eats bicycle to scooter. So what we want to do is just load up Safari here on our phone, and I've just Google search for change Uber Eats vehicle. Now we want to click on the first link that pops up here, and it might ask you to log in into your account. As you can see, I'm logged in. What we want to do is just scroll down here until you see an option to change your delivery mode. So currently nothing will be selected, but if we want to change from bicycle to scooter, so scooters are normally 50cc up to 250cc, you will need to know how much your scooter is. But here, for example, if our scooter is 50cc, we're just going to toggle motorized bicycle or motorbike, depending on, like I said, the amount of cc that we have. And we'll need to type out the maker, model, and year. So if it's a bicycle, we'll type bicycle, but since we're changing it to a scooter, we will not type anything. Other than that, we will need to input our license plate, and we will need to also supply a photo of our license plate. So if we have successfully input all of this information here, we will simply type I agree, like so, and we will click on submit, and that's going to change our Uber Eats delivery method from bicycle to scooter. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.